Travelers, now that you've touched down, it's time to share some arrival hacks to make your stay even better. Let's jump right in. First things first, head straight for baggage claim. Trust me, there's no time to waste after landing. Skipping the lollygagging will not only save you time but also prevent any potential arguments with fellow travelers. Ain't nobody got time for that! Need local currency? Skip the airport money converters with their rip-off fees and head to the nearest at the moment instead. Your debit or credit card will give you access to local currency without the extra charges. Now that's savvy spending. Want to save some cash? Skip the hotel snacks and head to a local grocery store instead. Stocking up on essentials like water and snacks can save you a ton compared to buying them at the hotel. Plus, it's a great way to get a taste of the local cuisine. Finally, when you're settling into your room, remember to unpack only the necessities. Trust me, taking out every pair of shoes and toiletry will only make repacking a nightmare. Keep it simple and organized to avoid any last-minute headaches when it's time to head home. And there you have it, folks. 4 arrival hacks to make your stay even sweeter. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips. Until next time, happy exploring!